Jen here with another marketing tip. So mobile notary and LSA work require heavily on relationship building. So here's a tip for how to build great relationships with your signing companies, title companies, realtors, signers, etc. Note cards. You don't have to spend a lot of money, and they are a great way to get your name out there and include in your closing packages. I got these cards at the local dollar store for 10 cards for $1. When I started out, and even today, I write a personalized note and include it with every closing package I send. It takes a little time, but it's worth it. Just write a personalized note thanking them for their business and include your business card. How easy is that? You can even do cards for your signers if you like, congratulating them on their new home purchase, whatever it may be. They're a great way to stand out in a crowded market and an excellent way for people to remember you.